Back to Second Chance Garage. This is my bush hog that's been sitting around for 10 or 12 years. Sun's so bright I really can't see what you can see. So anyway, I'm in the process of digging it out, and I'm going to go do some bush hogging tomorrow at my friend's house. So I had it tarped, and then I had a bunch of that garbage piled on top of it to hold the tarp down. So we're just going to see what kind of condition it's in. Get this old nasty tarp off of here. Okay. Well, there it is. So, looks to me like it's going to need a good pressure washing. This is all walnut crap on here, on top of the deck. You can see, I usually weed around it, mow around it, but I haven't done that since I put in the fireplace thing last year. So anyway, I will be back when I get the tractor brought around, because right now I got the finish mower on it. I got to take the finish mower off, so I will attempt to show you that.